What is the most powerful definition of love ever written? It's not from a movie or a song. It's a 400 years old 14-line poem by Shakespeare. And today, on Smarty Penman, we are bringing Sonnet 116 to life with the beautiful shades of a flex Nib Oblique Pen. Shakespeare defines love not by what it is, but by what it isn't. It does not change when it finds a change in the other person. It is not shaken by tempests or storms. Instead, he calls it an ever fixed mark like a lighthouse, and the star to every wandering bark. The North Star for lost ships. The true love is your unwavering guide. And most importantly, it's not time's fool. Though beauty fades with time, real love persists and endures right to the edge of doom. This isn't about fleeting emotion, it's about a profound, lasting commitment. Hence, with an incredible boast. If this be error and openly proved, I never read, nor no man ever loved. He's so sure he's right, he stakes his entire career on it. His poem's power is so timeless, it's been featured everywhere from Sense and Sensible to Star Trek. It's the universal standard for love. Writing this with a plague snip is a perfect match. The delicate hairlines and bold shades mirror the poem's message that true strength is both flexible and resilient. If you're inspired by this kind of creative journey, be sure to subscribe to Smarty Penman. We'll explore the art of writing, one beautiful project at a time. But beyond the beautiful words, the history of this sonnet is fascinating. It was first published in 1609 in the infamous Shakespeare's Sonnets Quarto. And infamous is the right word because it was published without Shakespeare's permission, likely stolen by an unscrupulous publisher. Now, here is a mystery. We don't know who it was written for. The surrounding sonnets are addressed to a fair youth, a young man Shakespeare was encouraging to marry and have children. But 116 stands alone. It's less a love letter to a person and more a defiant defense of love itself as an ideal. The defiant tone explains its incredible staying power. It's been the bedrock of countless weddings. Why? Because its message is universal. It's not about romance, it's about unwavering commitment. It's the vow beneath the vow. A promise that true love is a fixed point, a guiding star, not just for lovers, but for all of humanity. And that's a truth that resonates whether you're in Elizabethan England, a Regency drawing room, or a starship in the far reaches of the galaxy. Speaking of tools, the elegant flex Nib Oblique Pen I use for this, you can find it for yourself. I've left the link down in the video description where you can check it out and get one of your own. Thank you for watching. If this resonated with you, let me know your favorite line in the comments. Until next time, remember, keep your nib sharp and your passion sharper.